In life's vast tapestry, each thread of struggle weaves the fabric of our character. Just as muscles grow stronger through the resistance of weights, our inner strength is forged in the furnace of challenge. Struggle isn't just an obstacle, it's a necessary companion on the journey to personal growth and achievement. It shapes us, molds us, and reveals our potential, teaching us that the fire of adversity can forge great character. Here then is a powerful lesson from nature we can all learn from. In the heart of a beautiful garden, where nature whispered life's secrets, there lay a lesson hidden in the delicate wings of a butterfly. A man, fascinated by nature's marvels, discovered a cocoon. He observed it with the patience and excitement of a child witnessing the magic of life. The cocoon starts to quiver. The man watches intently as a small opening appears. The man watched for hours as a butterfly struggled to emerge, its efforts painting a picture of life's struggle. But then progress halted. The butterfly seemed trapped, its destiny hanging in a delicate balance. In a moment of kindness and haste, the man chose to alter the course of nature. He gently cut the cocoon, aiding the butterfly's escape. The butterfly emerges, but its body is swollen, its wings crumpled. The man watches, expecting it to fly, but it doesn't. The butterfly, now free, was not as he anticipated. The man watched, hoping for a miracle that never came. In his haste, the man did not realize that the struggle to escape the cocoon was crucial. It was nature's way of preparing the butterfly for flight, for life. Like the butterfly, our struggles are not merely obstacles. They are essential parts of our journey, shaping us, preparing us to soar. Through the butterfly struggle, we learn a profound truth. There's a Chinese proverb which states, "The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials." This teaches us the value of perseverance and the beauty of allowing and the power of struggle. If you like this video, please subscribe to get all the latest new videos in the Wisdom Wednesday series. This is Coach Annette Du Bois. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.